Honor the past and protect the future. What does it take to service and repair electric vehicles? The best trained electric vehicle technicians at Technics Auto Center. EVs with 400 and 800 volt systems could cause serious injury to untrained technicians and electric car occupants. Repair procedures are critical to repairing electric vehicles safely and efficiently.
We love the simplicity of an electric car, a motor and batteries. That doesn't mean they don't need service. There are still parts like the brake and suspension that need to be checked to ensure they are safe. And a Technics Auto Center electric vehicle technician will do things like check the battery condition and all the unique calibrations, install new software updates, and much more.
Technics Auto Center, your EV's part and service center. Membership available also. Call us at 297-5006 or visit us at 12 Curving Avenue, Pembroke. Book an appointment at my garage at www.technicsautoltd.com.